Hi everyone, hello. This is your math educator Shivangi Rajput, and today I'm going to tell you about the amazing feature of how to ask a doubt with Unacademy. Ask a doubt feature. So basically आपको बस Unacademy application पे जाना है, and now this feature is also available on the website platform. आप laptop या PC से भी access कर सकते हो, and I'll tell you how to do it. So basically you just have to go to the Unacademy ask a doubt feature if you're using it on the app first of all. Then you have to take a picture of your question or choose it from the gallery. And after choosing it you just have to crop the particular question, उसको upload करना है, subject select करना है, preferred language choose करनी है, and then you can actually go ahead with the answer and the video solution exactly for your questions. So basically if you are studying at like late night or early morning and if there is no one to answer your doubts at that time, so Unacademy ask a doubt feature can help you out in that. So basically you can पोस्ट वन डाउट एट अ टाइम, एक इमेज में एक ही डाउट पूछो, वैसे यू कैन आस्क 3 डाउट्स इन वन गो. ऑल राइट, एंड फॉर द टाइम यू आर वेटिंग फॉर योर वीडियो सॉल्यूशन यू कैन आस्क 2 more doubts in that particular thing. Please post clear and legible images, capture all the sub options of the MCQs in the topic, and if you have that options in the MCQ format, so please go ahead with the options as well for the thing. And what you do not have to do, आप multiple images एक साथ नहीं, एक question में basically एक इमेज में ट्राई टू आस्क वन क्वेश्चन, वैसे यू कैन आस्क 3 डाउट्स एट अ टाइम. सो अब वेबसाइट पे कैसे इसको एक्सेस करना है, आई टेल यू नाउ. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू गो टू योर Unacademy portal. You will get a dashboard like this over there, and here you can see there is a tab of doubts and solution. तो आपको ये doubts and solution पे यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. All right, and after that you can see this ask a new doubt and all that stuff. So you can upload the image or a screenshot of it. So how can you upload it? For example, if you are uploading it from here, for example if I take this question, all right, so this is how we're gonna go ahead with it. आपको इसको properly crop करना है. crop in the sense आपको अपनी image select करनी है that आपको जो question है, basically this is one question but you can go ahead with, of course अगर आपकी image में multiple questions हैं तो आपको इसको इस तरीके से click करना है, and then you can scroll it down and you can click on the next, right. You can also have the rotate option for this, and then you can go ahead with the confirm the subject whether it's of your maths or science, and then you can have the access for your preferred solution language. Now what is this preferred solution language over here, कि अगर आपको हिंदी में चाहिए, इंग्लिश में चाहिए आपका basically doubt का solution, so you can go ahead with it. All right, and the next thing which we are having over here is, see, for example if I show you try a sample, and if this doubt is there that an object takes 5 seconds, this is for example a question. All right, and you can go ahead with this. You can choose the subject. Yes, this is from your science, right. You can subject the language which is English, and then you can go ahead to the submit part. All right, so if that question is already available on the platform, अगर इसका solution already Unacademy application पे आपके पास present है तो वो तुरंत आ जाएगा. You will get it like within seconds. एंड अगर बाई चांस नहीं भी होता है, देयर इज सम डाउट विच इज़ एक्सट्रीमली न्यू, तो आपको वो डाउट थोड़े से टाइम में बिल्कुल वीडियो सॉल्यूशन के साथ प्रॉपर मिल जाएगा. नाउ दिस इज हाउ यू गोना गेट इट. दिस इज द वीडियो सॉल्यूशन.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल ऑफ यू. फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर देखो एक काफी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है. क्वेश्चन ये है, कैन ऑब्जेक्ट टेक्स 5 सेकंड टू रीच द ग्राउंड फ्रॉम अ हाइट ऑफ 5 मीटर ऑन अ प्लैनेट. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ g?
You can actually
concept के बारे में बात करते हैं. क्वालिटी लॉज ऑफ मोशन u + at ठीक है, s
forward it. You can also choose the playback speed and the indicator video on and off. You can actually go ahead with it, and this is how you gonna get the solution, the complete video solution with each and every detail for your particular detail. You will get in detail solution for this. All right, and this is actually 97% found this helpful, and all the solutions, this is the top solution which you have. And for any other doubt which you are having, so you can ask that too, and if the solution is available you will get it in seconds, and if not, so you will be getting it in a few seconds or a minute, right. So you can ask like 3 doubts at a time. आप 3 doubts पूछ सकते हो, and if you are waiting for the thing तो आप अपना 2 डाउट्स और भी पूछ सकते हो. सो दिस इज अगेन एन अमेजिंग थिंग विद Unacademy, and you can ask your doubt, and there is no hurdles in your preparation now. So please go ahead with it, and this is how it gonna work. So I have told you, you can use it both on the phone, that is Unacademy learning app, and through the website, that is unacademy.com. So thank you so much people. I hope this is helpful for you and you take full advantage of it. So have a great day ahead. Thank you so much.